Start investing in the stock market with confidence. Learn tips and strategies for finding good stocks, minimizing risk, and building a solid portfolio. Perfect for beginners and those looking to take the first step in investing. Educate yourself. Before investing in the stock market, it's essential to understand how it works and what you're investing in. So read books, attend seminars, and educate yourself on the different types of stocks, investment strategies, and financial metrics used to evaluate companies. Start with a plan, determine your investment goals, and set a budget for your investments. This will help you make informed decisions and avoid impulsive purchases. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, invest in a mix of different types of stocks and industries to minimize your risk. Look for quality companies. When selecting stocks, look for companies with a strong financial track record, solid management, and competitive advantage. Consider the company's financial health. Look at its financial statements and check its earnings, revenue, and debt levels. A company with a solid financial position is generally more likely to provide consistent returns. Don't chase returns. Don't be tempted to invest in a stock just because it has recently increased in value. Instead, focus on long-term growth and stability rather than short-term gains. Be patient. Investing in the stock market is a long-term strategy, and it may take time to see significant returns. So don't panic and sell your stocks during a market downturn. Seek professional advice. If you need more confidence in your investment decisions, consider seeking the advice of a financial advisor or professional. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to finding good stocks and building a solid investment portfolio in the stock market. Remember to like and share the video. And if you still need to subscribe, then click on the red subscribe button to make it gray. And while you are at it, click on the red bell icon to get notified when we post another video.